Hello everyone, we are learning Python. Today's topic is data types. Python is very easy when compared to other programming languages. Okay. Here, the four main data types in Python are integer, float, string and boolean. Okay. Now, we have seen a hello world program that is very easy without declaring any variables we can use here. Okay. In the same way, here I can use the variables without declaring, but I want to know what type of variables we have declared. For that we use the program and the methods here. Okay, see here, just open the Visual Studio Code. Go to your project. Here create file data types .py is the extension here. Okay, see here we got our file. Okay, and the terminal is also open here. Now I want to declare, without declaring variables we can use here. That is the main advantage in Python. For example, if you want to use any integer type variable in C, C++ or Java, we have to write it as int and the variable name equals to then assign the value. Here we no need to use the declaration of the variables. Directly we have to assign the value. A is equals to some 100 I am giving here. Okay. To print the value of A, simply we write the print of A here. Okay, then go to terminal, give the command python space the name of file that is data types.py. Then see here, without declaring the variable we can use here. Okay, this is the very easy way to use variables in the Python. But here I can print the values, but I want to know what type of data it is going to take in this particular variable. So that we use the type method here. Okay, use print of type of A. I want to know the type of the variable here. Variable A here. So I give the method as type A. Now go to terminal. Just press up arrow. It will take the previous command. Then hit enter. Now see here. First print A statement has printed as 100, and the second print type of A statement means it is going to print the type, what type of value it has holded. See here, if you place the cursor, it is going to show you A is int. The same thing, class int has used here. This is one type of the variable. Now what I want to do, I want to use some other variable. For that what I am going to do, B is equals to some 1000.0. Okay, here I want to print the value of B here. Okay, it will print simply the value of the B. Now here I want to print the type of the variable, that is nothing but type of B here. So type of, place the variable name inside the method, save it here, then go to the terminal, take the same command, hit enter. See here, this is the last command I executed. Here first one is the A value and A type of the A variable. This is the B value and this is the type of the B variable. Why it has given as float? Because the decimal points I have given here. The B variable is going to hold the decimal value along with the real value. Decimal thing I have added, so it is displayed as float. Now see here, for the variables character and string, we have the single data type, that is string. Here for the string, what I want to do, I want to give the name is equals to some name. Okay, here This is a string, so we have to enclose with double quotes. Okay, string and character should be enclosed with the quotes. Now in the first statement I want to print the value of name, so I'm giving as name. Okay, and in the second statement I want to print the type of the variable, that is nothing but name, type of the name. Name is what type of value it has holded. Okay, see here, give the name. This is case sensitive, so we should mention the same name. Capital and low letters are different here. Okay, just save it. Go to, just I want to clear CLS, enter. So my terminal has cleared. Now Python space data types .py, enter. See here, these are the A value, A type, B value, B type. This is the value of name variable. Okay, see here, name is equals to Deepa I have given. The name here I displayed by using this print statement, and in the second statement what type of value it is taking, that is nothing but str, string here. And the fourth data type we have is boolean. Okay, for the boolean we have to give the values like true and false. Okay, for that what I'm going to give is equal, I'm to give as a variable, equals to, give true. Okay, now see, type of the variable I'm going to print here, print type of okay. Now take the variable is equal, what type of value it has. Just save the file, go to the terminal, execute the same command. Now see here, okay, this is the last executed command. Now these two statements are related to A, these two statements are related to B, these are related to name, and this is last one, only print statement, single print statement I have used for the this is equal variable, that he is taking the class is boolean. These are the data types in Python. Thank you for watching.